do a wing eyeliner. Maybe. We'll try it. I'm gonna just set up a little mirror. It's hard to look in the camera at the same time. I use Perfect Dip and Draw. It's a black, jet black. So the key to doing this is you draw a line from the edge to like where your eyebrow ends. About a centimeter or so. And then the key is to go about where the end of your eye ends. A straight line. Sorry, 'cause I'm so used to putting my arm down on something when I do this. Just gonna try. Oh, and now I messed it up. There it goes. We can fix it though. And then you just fill it in. And we'll fix it in a minute. I'm better at this side. Let's see if I can move a little bit more here. And again, they don't have to be like perfectly lined up, because once you add your mascara, you really can't tell. And you can see I obviously messed up a little bit there, so I'm just gonna take a smudge brush, if I can find mine. I'm just gonna clean that up a little bit. Once this dries, it does not move, guys, at all. There was one day I accidentally was like, oh crap, I did a wing eyeliner. I'm gonna go look and see, you know, how badly I messed this up. And it didn't look any different. I was like, I can get behind this, all right. So I kind of fixed it a little bit, but I'm gonna grab some more of my foundation and just clean it up a little bit more. I'm gonna use 4D mascara. You can wipe off the extra. This one's pretty new. If you put too much product on, you're gonna notice that it doesn't look as nice. Key to doing this is you wanna shimmy and roll. What are you making, Jonathan? This 4D mascara, you can build up your lashes as much as you want. It's like a hair sticking out. These are my real lashes. I don't have any eyelash extensions or anything like that. I use our lash serum, and it has made a huge difference.